Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing with the merge sort algorithm in an subject called DAA. Okay, I already told that it's actually a merging sorting algorithm where we are going to arrange the array using the divide and conquer strategy, and it's most widely used sorting algorithm. It is very simple algorithm where I am going to tell you a very simple steps and its logical explanation. Okay, if you seen my last video, there I had uploaded the algorithm for this merge sort. Now I am going to tell you how this logical explanation. Okay, let us consider the array list. Let me take the new page. Yes. Okay, let's consider this array list which consists of more than one element: 20, 30, 40, 10, 50, 60. It's a logical explanation of merge sort. Okay, given the name of array 0, 1, 2, allocate its size 4, 5, 6. Okay, then the low value for this array is 0, we are going to place, and high value for this array is 6. Okay, using this the mid value, where how we can find the mid value? By using the formula where I told in the last video. Okay, low equal to 0, high equal to 6. The mid value formula is mid equal to low plus high divides 2, which gives 0 plus 6 divides 2, it's 3. So we find that the mid value, that is 3. Mid value is 3. Okay, it is mid value. Okay, now we find the mid value. Our mid value is 3. Then we are going to divide these big problems to the sub problems and going to find a solution for this problem. Okay, divide it from this middle, because we find the middle value: 70, 20, 30 and 40, and then the next terms 10, 50 and 60. Okay, low 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, low it is, high it is. Okay, here low is 4, here high is 60. Yes, and then the middle value for this is 0 plus 3 divides 2, it gives 1.5, and then here it's 4 plus 6 divides 2, it gives 5. Okay, and then just going to divide these problems: 70, 20, 30, 40, 10, 50 and 60. Sub problems are 70, 20, 30, 40. Here 10, 50, here 60. Don't forget to write its array size: 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Yes, here also again it is going to split it by 2, 70, because we are following the divide and conquer method. So it's going to split it from large to small cells. 10, 50, it's already splitted, so it is 60. It's then we are going to perform the merging operation of this cells, that it comes 70 and 20 again, and here 30 and 40 again. It's going to merge 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Then the whole operation is merged to a single sort cell that we find a problem to the solution to our sub problem 1. Okay, 20. Then we are going to arrange it in an order, because sorting is nothing but arranging an element. Okay, it's maybe any order, ascending or descending. So here we are going to arrange it in an ascending order. 40 and 70. It's also going to, it's already in an arranged format 10, 50 and 60. And yes, it is array size 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the large big problem, this is going to be divided, splitted into the two cell. First we have to applying this formula, we have to perform the operation, and from this operation we are getting the whole cell in an order, whole element in an order. We are getting the solution to our sub problem. Here also we are getting the solution to our sub problem. Then we have to perform an example using this logical explanation. In the next video I am going to explain the example. So yes, if you find my video anywhere useful, just like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.